Cal, BHP UK, and as we're just finishing the development of the KTM 790 2023 model, just like to introduce you to our latest Duke development bike. It is the A2 compliant 390, fantastic little package. We've actually just taken delivery of it. On this absolutely freezing Burnley morning, we're going to try and get some miles done on it so we can get the first running service done, and we'll get it on the dyno, do what we always do, run it up, see how KTM has set it up, take that, come up with a strategy to tune it, get rid of all the EU Euro 5 compromises, and we'll keep you posted.